Hello students, this topic is about computer network on computer science engineering paper. Here we can see detailed explanation about uses of computer networks. What is computer network? A small introduction. First we will start with traditional uses at companies, then move on to home networking and research developments regarding mobile users and finish with social issues. Here I have provided key points for every topic so it will be very easy for you in your semester exams. Uses of computer networks. We use computer mainly in business application, home application, mobile uses and then social issues. Now we can see one by one how the computer networks are used in each. First, usage of computer networks in business application. Business application. Company may have computers for each workers and use them to design products. So the issue is resource sharing. Companies like small and large are dependent on computerized information. For small companies, all the computers are likely to be in single office or a single building. But for larger one, the computers and employees may be scattered over dozens of offices and plants in many countries. First we can see how it is used for smaller company. Networks called virtual private networks is that VNP may be used to join individual networks at different sites into one extended network. For example, looked at the given example here, two clients who is working in same office is connected to a single network by a server. This whole arrangement is called the client-server model. The client-server model is applicable when the client or server are both in same building. This client-server model is applicable only when the client and server are both in same building. If client and server are at different location, this cannot be applied. Now we can see when client and server are at different location, how we can use the networks. When they are far apart, for example, when a person is at home accessing a page on World Wide Web, the same model is employed with the remote web server being the server and the user's person computer being the client. Under most conditions, one server can handle a large number, hundreds or thousands of clients simultaneously. Computer network can provide powerful communication among employees. Virtually every company that has one or more computers has email, telephone calls between the employees are carried out by computer network instead of phone company. These are the most important points in this topic. So for simple understanding, if we use computer in a same building, it can be connected by a server by a single network, and if we are located at different areas or different countries, we can communicate through email, etc. Next we can see how computer network are used in house. Home application. People initially buy computers for word processing and games. But now recently we see the big reason to buy a home computer is for internet access. Now many electronic devices such as set-top box, game consoles and clock radios come with embedded computers and computer networks, especially wireless networks. Home networks are broadly used for entertainment, including listening to music or creating music, photos, and videos. So, in simple word or simple understanding, we use computer networks in house for playing games online or listening to films, music, etc. And another important uses in home is it is to access financial institution. Many people already pay their bill, manage their bank accounts and handle their investments electronically. This trend will surely continue as network becoming more secure. Even though computer networks are used for just entertainment in home, but also it is used in most important financial institution, so it will keep all our information very secure. Next we can see how we use computer network in for mobile users. Mobile computers such as laptops and handheld computers are one of the fastest growing segments of computer industry. The next important point in mobile users is cellular networks operated by telephone companies are one familiar kind of wireless network. Wireless hotspots are based or another kind of wireless network for mobile computers. Text messaging or texting is very popular. It lets a mobile phone user type a short message that is then delivered by cellular network to another mobile subscriber. Whatever phone we use, example iPhones or smartphones, are working on computer network only. The usage of 3G and 4G on this smartphone and iPhones are had made the phone becoming very popular. The next important point is smartphones such as popular iPhone combine the aspects of mobile phones and mobile computers. The 3G and 4G cellular network to which they can connect provide a fast data service for using the internet as well as the handling mobile calls. The another main use is mobile phones know their location since they are equipped with GPS, global positioning system, receivers, some service are location dependent. Sensor networks are made up of nodes that gathers and wirelessly relay information that sends about the state of the physical world. If you take notes of this very important key points, it will be very useful for you to remember and study during the semester exams. Now we can discuss about the last topic of this computer network. The last topic is social issues. How the internet causes the social issues. Social networks, message boards content sharing sites and the host of the other application allow people to share their views with like-minded individuals. This means we can share our own information or own point of view to others. There will not be many problems created by sharing technical topic or hobbies like gardening. The trouble comes with topic when people actually care about politics. Other information is frequently unwanted. Electronic junk mail spam has become a part of life because spammers has collected millions of email addresses and would be marketers can cheaply send computer guaranteed message to them. Computer network rise new legal problems when they interact with old law. Electronic gambling provides an example. These are the major key points in using computer network in social issues. So in simple word, in this topic we have seen about uses of mobile network in home, social issues, mobile and then business. This topic will appear in the computer science paper network. Thank you everyone.